Hi, John Morgan here with Bob's Market and Greenhouses. And today I'm standing here in a sea of pansies. Each summer we grow literally millions of pansies from seed that we transplant and ship all across the US. And right now, heading into fall, it's actually the perfect time to plant pansies. You might be saying to yourself, but John, if I plant pansies now, won't they just die this winter? Now that's what's cool. Pansies are cool weather plants. They'll actually survive through the winter. They kind of go dormant. And then in early March, they'll start growing and blooming again. So that way you get color in the fall, but you also get color in the early spring from March up until you're ready to plant your annuals in May. Pansies are pretty easy to plant and care for also. If you plant them in a flower bed, you just need to water them regularly up until we start getting the first frosts and freezes of the year. And then you just sort of let them go through the winter and do their own thing. And once we start getting warmer weather in the springtime, you want to start watering them again and giving them a little bit of fertilizer to give them a boost going into spring. As I said, pansies are a cool weather crop. So once you get into kind of late April and early May and the weather starts getting warmer, that'll cause your pansies to start to stretch and they start to look kind of lanky, and the bloom quality tends to kind of go downhill. But that is the perfect time to plant your summer annuals. So pansies make the perfect crop for fall and springtime when normally you wouldn't have very much color in your landscape. For this and other great information, visit us online at bobsmarket.com.